Hello guys, this is me again, Rich Gaming Z. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a laser door. So as you can see, I will unlock it. See, I can go through, and if I lock it, I can't go through. See, it's not a joke. Look at it. I'm trying to sprint, but yeah, can't go through. I can go through. If I lock it, I can't go through. I'm gonna teach you how to make this thing, the laser door. Okay, so let's go. Now we're here. We're gonna break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Nah. Just center it. That's 5. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 by 3. Break it. Break that thing. Oh no. And then dig like 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks down. Shoot. Break the thing. Then you need block of iron. Put it there. Okay. Put the beacon. What's that called? Put the grass block or dirt, anything like that. Then get your redstone repeater and put it 3. Break this thing. Put the redstone. Put the lever and then cover it with a carpet. You need to crouch so you can put the carpet. Oh. I forgot. We need to put fence gate like that, okay? We need to crouch so we can put the grass blocks. Design it like you can put it like that, and choose what color do you like. You can put red ones. You can pick also other ones like it's blue, yellow, green. Like let's the lime color. Oi, color lime. Okay, good. So we open it. We can go through. See? And if we lock it, we can't go through. Oh no. Okay, so that's for it, guys. Oh no, it's raining. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, peace.